Okay, one of the ways also to practice the capacity building is by having standards for development. Well, the World Bank Group in the report in 2025, they propose the dissemination of standards which have knowledge, good practices that can be shared with developing economies. And there are four main areas that include well-being, that comprises health and education, risk management, that includes handling financial crisis, and how to handle the destruction of environment. Also, there are standards for government capacity that include how to handle well the budget, procurement, and how to recruit officials in the government. And other standards include economic growth, that in turn include good practices, efficiency, and how to connect with other countries. So we see that by developing the standards on good practices and sharing that with developing economies, we can help them to learn how to develop their economy faster based on the experience of other more developed countries. So this is a way of capacity building. And let us recall the Sustainable Development Goals. The number 17 is associated to capacity building. It is partnerships for the goals. And it has several targets, including official development assistance. The idea is that developed countries should devote some percentage of the net gross income to support the development of less developed economies. Also, additional financial resources for developing countries, that's another target. International cooperation on access to science, technology, and innovation. Basically, this target is that we need to support more projects of capacity building. Dissemination of environmentally sound technologies. Particularly, this dissemination and knowledge needs to reach the developing countries such that we can build a more environmentally friendly societies. Also, the UN proposes a technology bank. In this technology bank, the idea is to collect technologies, science, and lectures on how to become our societies more efficient, and this knowledge needs to be available for developing countries. And universal trading system, where we can support all the countries equally, such that even developing countries can participate on this important economical activity. Increase exports of developing countries, multi-stakeholder partnerships such that we can get the participation of governments, but also industry and also the academy. And more public-private partnerships are important such that countries grow together, taking into account the decisions made by the government, but also by the society.